One way that we do multiplication in 5th grade is using a partial products model. And so I'm going to take the 5 and the 2, and 5 times 2 is 10. Then I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 zeros for that. And then what I first did, I forgot I didn't tell you this. I took 234 and I put it in expanded form. I took the 56 and I put it over here in expanded form. Now I'm multiplying each one of the partial products. So the 200 times the 50 goes in this box, and I just showed you how I got 10,000. Now I take the 50 from over in the 30, and 5 times 3 is 15, and I count 1, 2 zeros. And then I have 4 times 5 is 20. I have 1 0. So now I'm going to go down and I'm going to be doing the 6 times the 2 is 12. Add the 2 zeros. The 6 times the 3 is 18. 1 0. The 6 times the 4 is 24. So what's nice about this, I can do all that multiplication. And now, in order to find my product and get the answer, I can come up and I can line up my products that I have in here. And once I add all these together, as long as I keep them lined up properly, I can get my answer. And some students find this a lot easier than having to remember to multiply, then regroup, and sometimes we're adding and we're multiplying, and they get real confused in the algorithm. So some students really like to do all the multiplication and then come over here and do the addition. So this would be 0, 10, carry 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 5 is 11, carry 1. And I have 1, 2, 3 in the thousands place, and then 10,000. So that is one way I show the students who are struggling with standard algorithm using this math help.